And that's all it is. It's simple. So the first thing you want to do is start asking the right question. Because how do I find my personal style is just not the right question. The right question is, how do I find myself? Because personal style is not something that exists outside of yourself. It exists in here to begin with. And that's really what you want to be looking for. But the problem is, how do you begin looking into yourself? Because it's dark in there. It's noisy in there. It's noisy out there. How do you find yourself inside of all that darkness and noise? I've got a couple of ideas for how to begin. The first thing you want to do is start to collect examples of art that really resonates with you. Whether that's your own art or art from other artists, you want to collect those things, say on a Pinterest board, for example, and start to collect a whole bunch of art. Not that you just like with your eyes or you think, wow, this is good art. I'm talking about art that really resonates, art that kind of moves you, brings you to tears if you can find art like that, art that really causes you to feel something. That is the art you want to be collecting. So once you've got a board full of examples, then you want to really start looking at those examples and seeing what words describe them all. So can you pare it down to, say, 3 or 5 words that really articulate the characteristics of each of the examples you found? So, for example, is the art that you love minimal, or is it monochromatic? Or is it colorful or quirky or odd or dark or weird or strange or interesting? Whatever those words might be, put them down, see if they resonate, come back again the next day, see if they resonate some more. The point is that once you start to get descriptors and characteristics of the art that really resonates, you start to get a handle on what your style is. Because the art that you're going to be truly wanting to make is going to fit in with those characteristics. And chances are it's going to be different than anything else you've got on the board because it's going to be you. And finally, what you want to do is make art. Lots and lots and lots of art over months, over years, over your lifetime. And that is the way that you're going to develop and hone and articulate your personal style. The fact is, personal style is a growing, changing, and evolving thing, just like you are. So there's never going to be a place where you find your personal style and that's it, because there's never going to be a place where you stop changing and growing and moving on. But that's the fun of it.